The copy system information is an extension of SAP's system information up here. So system information works by you hovering over the mouse over any field, and you can see in the lower left corner information like the value of the field, the form, the item, the pane, and in the end the table, which is in this case ORDR, and card code, which is the field. Usability package uses this extensively in different things where you need to either tell the item or have the dynamic syntax, which is the special syntax we have in the system, where you type in this keyword, where you type in the item of the column and the type. And similar, there's another one called table.field. So when you need to do this and put it into the various different configurations, you need to check the system information, or you should in the past at least. So in this case, this item here, which was item 4, would end up being item 4.0.0. We have extensive information on how the dynamic syntax work, but some people forgot this one. It was a pain to write this for syntax yourself, and it became increasingly as SAP is beginning to use some very long item UIDs. This is not even the worst case, but you can see it's 4800002113. So in order to write all that, you need to almost scribble it down on a page. So we have now made the copy system information, and the copy system information is a right click on any field, and you get some similar things as when you hover the mouse. So if I were to make the syntax of this field, I could right click it, and you see the copy system information here. And it would automatically give me the item syntax. So I could just click this now, and if I were to copy paste here, I would get that syntax immediately. Similar, I could get the table syntax of this field. I could just get the item UID if I needed to move it using item placement tool or anything. I could get the table, and I could get the table field. Again, just click it in order to copy it to the clipboard. So all the information about the fields I can get in various versions down here. Even more, you can get the form type. In this case it's 139, but there's some very long form types out there as well. And in sales and purchase documents, where you have both a docnum and dockey, I can actually right click and get the doc entry version, so you don't need to write the very famous get me the doc entry from the docnum. You can just simply get it right off the screen. And finally, object type, which is also used a bunch, you can get that directly from the screen as well. Similar on line level, you can of course get the syntax in with the column as well, so you can get the column UID if needed. And this works basically across every single screen on Business One. You can right click, get the values, just copy it out. It's also good for writing SQL statements where you need, okay, I want to select, and I want the card name, sorry, the card code, and I want the card name. Depends on how well you are with SQL, if this is faster or not. Certainly for the ones, for the fields that are written in some very strange abbreviation. So I can write a SQL using this way of doing things. So that was a lightning quick demo of this copy system information, and I can tell from experience that I thought it would be nice to have, but once I have it, it's actually quite essential for me to work with usability package myself. So remember, you can right click and get all these information without needing to scribble them down yourself. Thank you for attending the session.